Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chili pickled onions. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a perfect batch every time. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, from crisp red onions to fiery chili peppers and a good quality vinegar. Having everything prepped and ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, leading to a fantastic homemade condiment. Now, let's get our main ingredients ready. Begin by thinly slicing about 2 or 3 medium red onions. Aim for consistent thickness, around 1/8 of an inch. Next, prepare your chili peppers. You can use 1 or 2, depending on your preferred spice level. Remember to remove the seeds if you want a milder pickle. Once sliced, carefully pack these vibrant ingredients into your clean, sterilized jar. The brine is crucial for flavor and preservation. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of white vinegar with 1 cup of water. Stir in 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. For extra depth, consider adding a few peppercorns or a bay leaf. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until both the sugar and salt have completely dissolved. Let it cool for a few minutes before pouring. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Carefully pour the slightly cooled brine over the onions and chilies in your jar, making sure they are fully submerged. Tap the jar gently to release any air bubbles. Secure the lid tightly and let the jar cool down completely on your countertop. Once cool, transfer it to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, wait at least 24 hours before serving your delicious chili pickled onions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.